Hello friends, in the last video we saw a few DAX functions. So let's continue with the same topic, DAX functions in Power BI. For that, first we upload the data in Power BI desktop. Importing data by Excel file, select the sheet and click on transform data. Then go to close and apply button. It will take few seconds to upload the data. Then go to table view. Here we see the first DAX function here, uppercase. Similar DAX function is used in Excel. So click on new column. We apply this uppercase function to employee name column. So first you have to type upper, then select the column name, bracket complete, and press enter. So it converted employee name into uppercase. Similarly, we can apply lowercase function. Again, click on new column, lower name is the new column name, equal to function is lower, then select column name, that is employee name, bracket complete, and press enter button. So we have successfully convert our employee name column into the lower name. We have seen two functions here, upper and lower. Then next function is left. For that, click on new column, equal to select function left, and we are going to apply this function on the column name employee ID. And here you want to fetch left two characters from the column name and press enter. Similarly, we can use right function. Function name is right, then enter column name, employee ID, comma, and number of characters. From right side we want 4 characters, so enter 4, bracket complete, and enter. Similarly, we can use next function mid. Suppose we want to fetch middle numbers, then we can use this function. Here function name is mid, then enter column name, employee ID, comma, we start of the position. Here we are want for position from fourth digit. So enter 4. Then we want 4 characters or 4 numbers. That's why we again enter 4 and bracket complete and press enter. So here we successfully fetch middle number from the employee ID. For visualization purpose, I am going to delete few columns here. Next we see new DAX function, that is trim. Similar function we use in Excel. Here I am going to trim employee name column. Enter column name, employee name, then bracket complete. Press enter. So we successfully trim column name, employee name. Then next function is length, new column. Here I am going to find length of name. So equal to function is length, len, and then enter the column name, trim name, bracket complete, enter. So it counts blank space also. So in the first name, for first trim name, total 10 characters and 1 blank space, so it shows 11 characters or 11 length of the column. Similarly, we see new function. Next function is concatenate. So here we can concatenate 2 columns using this concatenate function in Power BI DAX. If we want to concatenate more than 2 columns, then we have to use different method here. So first we check with the 2 columns. Select the function concatenate, and then we have to enter column names. Suppose I am going to select ID1 and ID2 column names and complete the bracket and press enter key. So here we have successfully concatenated 2 columns, ID1 and ID2. But suppose we want to combine more than 2 columns and we want some space between 2 terms or any hyphen thing, so we have to use different technique that is not possible in the concatenate function. So next we see how to concatenate more than 2 columns. Here combine is equal to, here we are going to use AND operator. Suppose I want to combine ID1, ID2 and ID3. So here we have directly enter column name first, ID1, then use ampersand and operator, then ID2 and operator, and then ID3. Press enter. So you can see we have successfully combined three columns here, ID1, 2 and 3. But suppose we want to add some space in between the two columns. So here you have to add one more add percent and percent or an operator here. In double quote you can give blank space and then again and operator. Similarly you have to enter again one more and operator here and press enter. So you can see here we add spaces between the numbers and